Welcome to the 71st Canadian Toy Fair. Myself and Pippa are once again on the trail of the most exciting toys of the second decade of the third millennium. And we are going to walk around and see what there is in store. Here we have a really fantastic product, which is kind of a cross between a Meccano, a Connect set, and it's these vehicles which you can build. No tools are required. This particular one, you can build 7 different types of vehicles from the one kit. So you have a kit, instructions for your kids, and everything just pushes together, screws together, very robustly made. As I say, made in Holland, good wood, plywood construction, plastic, wooden wheels, easy to configure and reconfigure and get more involved with this toy. Brilliantly made. It's robust enough for an adult to use.
Okay, here we've got Wowie's latest Paper Jams Pro guitar, which is an upgrade from last year's guitar. And this one has the advantages that it's got uploadable tunes so that you can do different things than you did last year. And you can do all sorts of really amazing things with this guitar. You can actually really learn how to play. But there's a step-up process. You have a beginning part where you just pick an option and you can just play along with what's on the tune that you're playing. Then you can actually freestyle, and you can actually pick out your own notes and learn to play. Keytar, which is vocal, band, rhythm track, it's everything all in one. What an amazing toy. And all of these are between 20 to 40 bucks. Amazing.
Now this is a saltwater powered car. It works on bimetal electrochemical reaction. It comes with a little magnesium sheet. I think there's some carbon fibre as well. You put a bit of salt water on top of it, you get an electrochemical reaction. You're stealing electrons from one sheet to another. It goes directly to a little motor here, and the thing will run for 2 weeks. And the whole car, 3 of them with 3 spare sheets, wholesale $10. So I mean, there you're getting energy from salt water. Fantastic.
Here we've got a really neat building kit for the all-terrain vehicle, but the thing that's really neat about this kit is it's 3-in-1. You can build 3 different vehicles. You can build a gripper, which is this one. You can build a rover, or you can build a forklift.
So the laser targeting takes it to different phases on its quest to get away from you. As you hit it with a laser, it can go up or down, and you've got 3 phases of techniques. So I guess it gets harder, and you're working against it and using the laser to bring it down.
Coming soon from Spin Master, we have the Finn McMissile Zero Gravity car. And the really cool thing about this car is that what it promises to do is to drive from the ground, and all by itself it can get to the wall and start climbing the wall.
Yeah, you mentioned that, so I was talking about that.
Here we have the latest Airhogs helicopter, and it's officially the world's smallest remote-controlled helicopter, verified by the Guinness Book of World Records. And it just flies. And another great thing about this toy is that the package, when you take the toy out, the bottom and the top part can actually be used as a case for storing your copter in. Okay, here we have a male figure doll from the Tron movie. This is Sam, the character. And the really neat thing about this is the, what's it called again?
Projection face.
Impulse projection technology.
Impulse projection technology. Now this is something that we need to watch for in toys coming out in the future as well.
Now.
And here we have the world's largest gummy worm. Straight from Arrakis, dude.
Here we are at Pathfinder's Design and Technology. They use medieval siege engines and equipment and using wood very nicely to show how mechanical advantage works. Here we see a angle-poised trebuchet, counterweight lever, sling. We go to schemes here with catapults and schemes. Very, very nice, simple designs. Using gears, two directional gears here to show a Da Vinci aircraft here. So we're using classical Da Vinci-esque designs here. We get to construct things. This is a catapult using tension from these particular bars here, and if I pull this string here, it fires the catapult very, very nicely here. Beautifully made, easy to understand. Pulleys and gears, pneumatics, hydraulics, perfect thing for curriculum grades 6, 7, 8. Easy.
Here we've got a novel game called Rare Earth, and what's really exciting about this is that it's not only a fun card game, but it's educational too. Each of the cards in this deck represents an element from the periodic table, and each of the numbers of the elements is actually a number that's used in scoring within the game. And kids get a chance to learn about the different elements. They get to learn also how to build compounds, which elements actually match with each other elements. So this is a really exciting game. I have never seen anything quite like this.